To set up the Chase Bank app, start by downloading it from the App Store or Google Play Store, depending on your device. Once the download is complete, open the app and click on the Get Started button. You will be prompted to enter your Chase Online username and password. If you do not have a Chase Online account, you can create one directly in the app by clicking on the Not Enrolled option. Next, you will need to verify your identity by answering a series of security questions or receiving a verification code via email or phone. This is a one-time process to ensure the security of your account. After verification, you will be asked to create a 4-digit passcode or use Touch ID or Face ID to log into the app. The Chase Bank app allows you to view your account balances, transaction history, and statements. You can also use the app to pay bills, transfer money, and deposit checks remotely. To set up these features, navigate to the relevant section in the app and follow the prompts. For example, to set up Bill Pay, click on the Pay Bills option and enter the payee information, including the account number and payment amount. To ensure the security of your account, make sure to log out of the app when you are finished using it and keep your passcode or biometric login information confidential. It is also a good idea to set up account alerts to notify you of any suspicious activity. The Chase Bank app is a convenient and secure way to manage your finances on the go. And by following these steps, you can set it up quickly and easily.